How to check if iPhone is refurbished or new. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and available capacity. Now, go back and open up Safari. Then go to discussions.apple.com. From here you can read and find out how to know if iPhone is refurbished or not. As you can see, the model number will help you to identify if the device is new, refurbished, replacement, or personalized. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone is refurbished or new. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.